Hello, in this example I will show you how you can use array in bash. Array can be declared by two ways, as a numeric array or associative array. When the array index are in a numeric value, then the array is called numeric array. And our first example is about creating a numeric array. Here my array is my array variable name, and it has 5 contents: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can access each content by defining the array index in this way. So to run this code, you have to copy the code and create a file with bash extension. Save. Suppose the file name is .sh. Okay. Now if I run the code from the terminal, now you can see the output. The 5 elements of the array are printed by this echo command. In our next example is associative array declaration. In associative array, the index will be any string or text, and this is an example of an associative array. So I will create another file. In this array declaration is like this: the student name as index and the opt-in mark is as array value, and the value is read by this. Okay, now again create a new file and save the code as array2.ash and just run the code. Here you can see the value of each array element is printed here, and this one is come from here. If you want to print all index at a time, then you have to declare or type the echo command like this: exclamatory sign, array name and @ In the next example, reading array values using for loop. In the both two previous examples, we have accessed the array element by defining the index of each element. But if your array is large, then it is better to use any loop to iterate the array element. And example 3 is showing how you can use loop to iterate any array. In this example, my array is associative array, and here for loop is used to print the value, and this for loop is used to print the index, and this for loop is used to print both array and index. Just copy the code and create the file to see the output. Now run the script from the terminal. Here you can see this is the array values, this is the array index, and these are both index and balance. In this way, you can simply access any array using loop. The steps or codes of this file will be attached in the description section of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.